So now the visualizer. So this guy's a big old singleton. I'll get down through here. There we go. But before I forget, I was going through and I don't know if I showed you these, so just so you know, I have my collision volume class here, which will obviously have more collision volumes next quarter. Computing data versus the world matrix in the model, the intersection, which does the test and returns true or false, and then the B sphere is right here. Reminding me of that because the visualizer is kind of entwined with that sort of system. Here's the class diagram. It just has its one graphics object here, the unit sphere, and it renders a B-sphere here. This is the actual, this is the command that's submitted when somebody calls show B-sphere. As you can see in the CPP, when someone says show B-sphere, it actually just submits a command and it pools them, so it either goes to the commands that have been pooled or creates a new one based on the information that it is given. Visualize all is called within the draw manager. I showed that earlier, but it'll be easier if I just show it to you again. Now that we're actually talking about wait, no. Let's see. Okay, down here. It calls visualize all before it calls all of the other draw commands, which just fires off all of the render commands for the B sphere. And the terminate does get called. I'll show you that in a moment. I think that is it's almost all of it. Yes. Okay. Cool. So I'll just show you that when I quit the game, I just terminate the visualizer, which kills all of the commands here. Yeah. It doesn't crash if I go through this destructor, just so you know. Yeah. Lands safely, and then there's the documentation for the visualizer. I assume this is an internal class, so I wasn't super concerned with making it very, like, I was writing it to myself, I wasn't writing it to somebody else, so it was here just showing a B-sphere somewhere. Okay. Maybe this isn't even good for me. There we go. So if you call it show B-sphere, this is kind of what matters. Maybe I should have a section about the visualizer, I don't know. I guess the documentation's not that great, but that's what it is for now.